I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Infinite stuck on loading screen. So let's start. Firstly, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. Now go to the search and type in exactly like this, Steam, or the launcher obviously that you have the game on. If you do find it running, make sure to right click and select End Task. After that, go to the upside arrow, and if you do find the Steam icon appearing, right click on it and select Exit Steam. Now wait for a couple of moments. After that, all you have to do, go to the search, type in Device Manager. After that, select it. Now go straightly to Display Adapters and open this sidebar. Now go to your graphics card, right click and select Update Driver. Now click on Search Automatically for Drivers and click on Close. For the next method, you can go type in NVIDIA and select the NVIDIA app or the AMD app alternatively. Now go to the drivers in the left menu and select the Install button in order to update your graphics card driver. Close this. Now go relaunch the Steam or the launcher that you have the game on. Once done, you should go to the catalog of games that you have. So go to the View option and select Library. From here, browse through your games and select Call of Duty Infinite. I don't have it installed, so once you select it, select this gear icon and select Properties. Now go to Installed Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. You need to wait for the process to finish. It will start by recovering any problem or missing file that is possibly causing the issue. Alternatively, go to General and type in -dx11. Now you can close everything. After that, go to the Windows icon and restart your computer. After that, relaunch the game and see if the problem is gone. If you find it helpful, subscribe and see you on the next one.